guys, welcome to my latest unboxing review, and today I'm going to talk about these headphones right here as well as these ones. These, as you can see here, I've already taken out of the box and I've used for a little while, and they turned out to be fantastic. Sometimes I will mess around with technology that is a little bit less updated, and it may not be the newest. But other times, I go with the latest device, depending on which one is better. Sometimes when you upgrade, you're not getting the best technology, and I feel like it's a downgrade. So sometimes that happens, and then I will go back to like previous technology, like this kind of jack instead of the Bluetooth, which is what most people are using now with AirPods and stuff. But as far as these are concerned, I actually like these better than Apple products. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll let you know more about these ones. But these ones here, the white ones, turned out to be really great. And so, yeah, and this box here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.